So, hello friends. So today we are going to do the review of Max Bounty and the CPA lead. So we're going to see that our which is more easier and from which one we can make some decent amount of money, right? So here's the CPA lead and that's what we call Max Bounty. Many people are reviewing these platforms and we don't know which is legit, right? So today we see, let's figure it out what's the best, right? So we click on CPA lead, right? So we just go for here, we just here and you can see all the things here. There's two things for publishers and for advertisers. Here you can means you can get people to sign up and you can earn a commission of that, right? Affiliate products and mobile monetization and something, right? Just you can click a start earning and you can go to the page of like this login here, right? So you have to do the login with publisher's account, right? If you want to sign up or get for the survey, means you want to make money, then go for this publisher's login and log in with Google or Facebook, whatever you want, and then you come to this page like this, right? Where you can get this we call it dashboard, right? That's the dashboard, that's the money you make here. Push the page is loading here, so we wait for some time. That's here, right? You can get the more types of offers like secure all of your digital devices. There are all kind of apps and surveys and signups. All of these things are listed here, right? And yeah, so if you go to the offers wall, right, here you find the offers where you can make money, right? So if you go here and it's you are currently there is United States is selected and offer type is any type of offer, right? If you go down, here you can see, right? Northern Secure VPN, you make that much of money. You make that much of money. If you go scroll down, down and down, move down, and you're gonna see like yeah, here you're gonna make $4.64, right? Just by making people to sign up there and taking a small survey, right? Like this. There's a CPA offer. Vendor research make $50 per survey. Email submits and surveys. Just ask your friends to submit their emails and surveys. You can do this, copy this link, short this link from Bitly and send this to your friends and say them to fill this email and surveys, right? And you're gonna make money. Here it is, right? It's $5.22 per email. They also same emails and submits and surveys, right? It's same. And by the way, this is for worldwide, right? You don't need any kind of thing. That's worldwide. It's United States, and there is more countries available here, right? All countries here. You can see, right? India and every country is here available. So you can make a decent amount of money through this. Like if you're getting $5 and you uh, talk to your 50 friends to sign up for that, you're gonna make $250 for just in a sec, right? And next we see about Max Bounty. People says you can make also money that I will also try that and I will tell you if it works or not. Today we are just doing the review, right? So if we I go there, I just there we go to affiliates and we go to this page, right? Promotes and I click here to become an affiliate. They send me to this page, right? Where I they shows like this. And if I click here, they're gonna tell me about this. I previously fill this page. They're gonna ask you to fill this thing when you go to the next. They're gonna ask you to fill your street page. They're gonna ask you for your full name, your Skype ID. If you go next, they're gonna ask your address. If you go on another next, they're gonna ask about your payment proof, right? Like your email or no, like your ID proof, like your driving license or something, right? If you go next, they're going to ask you, we will send you an email and click is this and our person is going to take your interview on a telephone, right? And if you click this okay, they're going to ask you how you promote our products and what's your websites and this and that and this and that. So I don't think it takes too much time and we don't know if it's worth our time or not. That's why I don't waste my time to filling all of these forms, because I yesterday I fill it and I just left it alone, right? It's just too taking time. So that's, I think CPA lead is good. You just have to sign up and you are ready to make money, right? There is no time waste. And here we see the best, you can say, alternatives of Max Bounty and CPA leads. We just saw that. That is, you can say there's pop ads we see, and this hanging out. Yeah, here. Yeah, pop ads. Yeah, there's 4.5 ratings. Ad supply is also a good one. That's admixtures.networks, viral gains, and perform CPA, add push-ups. They all are the alternatives of Max Bounty and CPA. You can try also all of them, right? I also see some of them, and they are also asking for like telephonic interview and something like, right. That's why I feel I prefer the CPA lead, right? Thank you. If you like to join the CPA lead, go through my referral link, which I put in my description video, right? And here there is something like what we call it referrals. There's program refers where from I earn some amount of the money, and you can also make, right. That's what it is. I hope you like the video. If you like, thank you. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. And you can also see the videos where how can you make money with get paid by read emails. Is it true or not? You can see that, right? Thank you for that. Bye bye.